Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia and Renee. Today I'm going to show you a few pair of sandals that I absolutely love. So keep on watching so you can see my sandal haul. Very affordable as well. So these babies right here, I want to say my sister, I feel like she purchased these for me some years ago. But these are some sexy heels. I think I only wore them one time, once or twice. And I'm just showing you two ways you can lace the shoes. This one is a little bow in the front. This I crossed around the back and put a little tie on the side. I love these shoes. I want to say I only wore them once because yes, they do have a chunky heel, but I kept tripping. I felt like I was going to twist my ankle, so I never wore them again. But I will wear them again, as long as I'm going somewhere where I would sit down a lot, like maybe out to eat or to the bar or something. Not out somewhere I have to do a lot of walking, because these are not meant for walking. But I do like them. They're so cute and unique. I don't think I've ever seen anybody with a pair of these on. These little cute kitten heel sandals I purchased from H&M this year. Haven't worn them yet. You see, it still has a tag on them. They are $29. Too freaking cute. These sandals I purchased last year from Forever 21. I want to say they were like $29. If they still have them available, I'll post the links. But I wanted these shoes so bad to go with an outfit. I brought them a size too big. They didn't have my size. These were a size 9. So you can see they're a little big in the back. But it's okay. I only wore them one time. They were so cute, comfortable, easy to walk in. Nice gold sandal. These chunky heel sandals I purchased from Aldo's a few years ago. I want to say they were like $69, $79. Or could have been more, I can't remember. But I like them so much because of the heel. It makes the sandal like a dress down sandal. So I love to pair these with a pair of skinny jeans. They are so freaking comfortable and cute. Really love these. These sandals I purchased from Aldi's a few years ago. While I really don't like wedge too much for me, they were a cross between a wedge and not. So that's why I purchased these. I like the heel on them. Not too high, comfortable, and black. Excuse the sticker came off the sandal. I didn't notice it till after. But anyway, these sandals I purchased from Aldo a few years ago as well. They are so freaking cute. Like a neutral brown color with a wooden heel. I absolutely like these sandals. Again, I feel like I could dress these up. See them. Sticker out the way. Anyway, I feel like I can dress these up, dress them down. The only thing I can say about these sandals that aren't too flattering is since the sole and the heel is wooden, it's not comfortable to walk in, so I do have a cushion on the inside to help with the hardwood. But they are really, really cute. So I know earlier I said I don't like wedge heels, which I really don't, but I like these because the wedge part is wooden and it's a suede black. So it was really cute to me. So anyway, they are from, I want to say Baker's. I don't even know if they still have Baker's around, but I purchased these from Baker's a few years ago. Since they are wedged, they are super comfortable, and I like the contrast between the wood and the suede black. So I think they're so cute. These hot pink sandals are from Target as well. And this color is definitely different for me. While I do like hot pink nail polish, I do not like hot pink clothing too much. So I said, you know what? They are really cute. They're $14.99. So I said, why not get them? Nice little flat slide-ons. Can make a nice little statement with your outfit. You can wear a nice simple outfit and a pop of color. Really, really like them. This little fun sandal I purchased from Aldo's a few years ago. And some of the beads came off. I can't even tell where, but they held up. I want to say I felt like they were like $69. Pretty expensive for a sandal to me, a flat sandal. But I really liked them, and I didn't see anything like them. So I went ahead and purchased them, and they held up. I felt like I had these for at least 5 years. No, probably longer than that. Now, these little fun, fringy, Bohemian Coachella vibe sandals I purchased from Forever 21 a few years ago. They are so freaking cute. Definitely my style. I will say it's a little uncomfortable between the toe area, the little thong part. so I don't wear them as much as I would like to, but they are so cute. I don't think I've seen anybody with these sandals before either, so I absolutely love them. So cute and fun, and definitely bring a pop to your outfit, little flair. These sandals still have the tag on them as well. I purchased these from Target last year, and it says $27.99. Really, really cute. I'm definitely going to wear these this year, so I will be popping the tag off. So these sandals I got from Target this year. They retail at $19.99, and I have a size 8. I got these sandals to go with an outfit I'm wearing on my vacation, so you'll see the whole outfit and the sandals in another video. But they are just the cutest thing. And with my sandals, I could go from an 8 all the way to a 9.5, depending on how the sandal is cut. Too cute. Love them. Some more pop of color. Again, got these sandals from Target in a size 8.5, and they were $14.99. This color, like an orange color to me. And again, I purchased these sandals to go with an outfit that I'm wearing on my vacay. Again, you can wear a plain outfit with a pop of color on your feet, and they're so comfortable. They're like squishy. I don't know how to describe them, but it's like real cushiony. And this white toe nail polish looks so pretty with all my sandals. All I wear on my toes is white all summer. These are my little bling bling sandals. Those jelly flats that I purchased from Forever 21 last year, and they are at a size 9. So these sandals you can find anywhere. Jelly sandals are very slippery, so watch what you step on and watch out putting moisturizer or lotion on your feet, because you will be sliding everywhere. A little different for me because bling bling could go from real cute to real tacky really quickly, so I really don't like to do bling bling too much, but I like them. And another pair of settled bling bling sandals. I purchased these last year from Target. Black with some bling bling on the strap. Nice and simple. Not too much bling like the other sandal. I want to say only worn maybe once or twice last year. I think my baby toe was smushed in the corner. But I'm going to try them again this year and see why I didn't wear them too many times. Okay, y'all, so that is it for my first sandal haul. If you guys want me to do a part 2, let me know. I have plenty more sandals that I did not show in this video. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments below. Look at Nino. He is so sickening. I had to lock him out the room because his bell always jingling in my video. And of course he had to make his appearance. Nino. Say hey. He talks a lot. Talk a whole lot. Let me know which sandals were your favorite. Till next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.